Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. So we have started the chapter Congruency of Triangles.
Yes, sir. We are on question number 2, last part.
Okay. Question 2, last part. Good morning. Exercise 16A. Question 2, last part, fifth part. The figure that is given in this question is this. 50, 60, 70. Again 50, 60, 70. So we have to find out whether the two triangles are congruent or not, and if they are congruent, then by which rule. Yes, all of you. The two triangles are congruent by which rule?
Well,
All the three angles are equal in both the triangles. Am I right?
Sir,
yes, sir.
Then by which criteria will you say that the two triangles are congruent?
Sir, angle.
sir, SSS.
SSS. SSS is a rule which is used for sides. These are not sides. These are angles.
Triple A.
No, triple A is no rule to prove congruency. Triple A
Sir,
have
AAS. Sir, AAS. Sir, AAS.
AAS, and which side is equal?
Sir, the middles are A and C.
The
Yes,
side
sir, A and C.
AC, the side AC in both the triangles is the common side. Am I right or not? This side.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
the common side. So we can say both the triangles are congruent by, you can use two rules here, either ASA or AAS. Both the rules can be used. See, angle this angle 50 degree equal in both the triangles. 60
Yes,
degree
sir.
also equal both the triangles, and AC is common side in both the triangles. It is there in both the triangles, so it will be same ही तो है ये side AC. It is same in both the triangles.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can say that the two triangles are congruent by the rule ASA. And how to write it? We will write ACB is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, got it, everyone?
Sir,
Yes,
this
sir.
one we have to do in copy.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. In the book,
So what we are
Excuse
doing?
me, sir.
in the book, you have
Sir,
to
we are
do
Sir,
doing
it in
there
question
is.
the
number
book.
2.
You have to do it in the
Okay,
book.
sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Got. Sir, I have tried the next questions. Sir, it was very easy.
Question number 3 we have to do now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I have tried the next questions.
very good.
Sir, it was very easy, but sir, some 1, 2 are not coming.
Sir, I have to do it. Sir, please wait for a minute.
Why do you join late, Athar?
Try.
Both of you,
So today I will. Sir, today I
Daksh and Athar.
will.
You join a day late every day, not today. Every day you join late, Daksh.
Because sir, I was
I will
partying.
start marking you absent now if you join late.
Sir, done.
Okay, let's start with question number 3. This figure is given in question 3.
Draw the figure also.
Yes, you have to draw the
Sir,
figure also in your copy. Quickly draw the
Sir, we
figure.
can draw with pen also.
No pencil. No, not don't use a scale to draw it. Just draw it with the help of a pencil. Simple. Don't use a scale.
Okay.
Without a scale, just draw it. We are not doing any geometrical construction here. It is simple a figure which is given in the question already. So you just have to draw a rough figure. Not
Sir, this is the
very
okay,
dirty,
sir.
but it should look neat and clean, but not using scale. Okay, just draw it with the help of pencil.
So it is first part.
Yes, question 3. There is only one part in question 3.
The second part of the question.
Sir, we have to draw this and copy.
Yes.
Sir, drawn.
sir, drawn.
Very good. So here we have to prove that triangle PLO is congruent to triangle PMO, and we have to give reasons, proper reasons. So now this question is to be done in the copy, and how to write it in the copy, everyone please see it on the board. So first of all, I am asking you whether the two triangles are congruent or not, and if they are congruent, then by which rule? Everyone, look at the two triangles PLO and PMO.
Sir, please see. I've done this.
Sir, because on RHS.
First thing, they are congruent, and if you see, then they are congruent by the rule RHS. Why RHS? Because one angle is right angle in both the triangles.
Right.
Okay, in both the triangles, one angle is right angle. The hypotenuse PO. PO is the hypotenuse of both the triangles. Am I right? Which side is opposite to right angle? PO. PO is the side which is opposite to right angle. So PO is the hypotenuse of both the triangles. So that is also common. So if it is common, that means it is equal. PO is common, therefore it is equal. And PL is given equal to PM in the question. It is given. If you read the question properly, you will see that PL is given equal to PM.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, yes, sir. And is PLO equals PMO?
Therefore, this makes triangle PLO congruent to triangle PMO by rule RHS, right
Sir, why
angle,
is it?
hypotenuse, and side. Okay. By the rule RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, and side.
Right.
Got it, all of you?
Sir, please
Yes,
explain
sir.
again. Your voice was not coming.
I'm saying that the two rules are congruent, the two triangles are congruent by the rule RHS. Only this much. Okay. So let's see how to write it in the copy. Angle PLO equals to angle PMO. Reason in the bracket 90
RHS.
degrees each.
Sir, we can write RHS also.
Second thing, beta, we are not proving congruency. These two triangles are right, and these two angles are right angles, therefore they are equal. PO is equal to PO. You have to write all the steps. You have to give all the reasons. These are the proofs. हमसे बोला गया ना prove करो. So these are the proofs. We are giving the proof. We have to give 3 proofs. Yesterday also I told you that these are the 3 proofs. Now we can say that the two triangles are congruent. So PO is common.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So we can first take angle P equals to angle P. Then angle L equals to
Why
M.
angle
O
P is
equals to O.
equal to angle P? Can you tell me why angle P is equal to angle P? Which angle P?
in this question, like you
Sir,
have,
PM is equal to PM.
sir, you have tell in the first question, starting of the that we can do by these two methods.
What? There is only one
Sir, you
method
have
of
tell.
doing it.
No, sir, you have tell two methods.
Beta, I never said that there are two methods of doing it. There is only one method of doing this question. Why do you mix two things? And then you get confused. For the last question, I said that there are two methods, not for this question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you have said for question number first. There are two
Triangle
methods.
PLO is congruent to triangle PMO by
Sir,
RHS.
SAS.
RHS, beta. Right angle, hypotenuse, PO is the hypotenuse, and PL, PM are sides. So by RHS rule, we can say that the two triangles are congruent. Over. Question over.
Okay, sir.
We
Sir,
have given all the reasons.
sir, triangle walls is also left, I think.
What?
Sir, in question number 3, there are two figures.
Beta, that is figure for question 4, not for question 3. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's do the next question. Have you all done it in your copy?
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes.
sir, please see, I have done this question by this method.
Wrong. Angle P is not equal to angle P. First of all, you are talking about which angle. There is no which specific. There are three angles attached to angle P in the given figure, and you are just mentioning angle P equal to angle P. And also, there is no reason you can say that angle P is equal to angle P. This is wrong, totally wrong. Daksh, do it in the way I am telling you. Nothing is correct
Yes,
in
sir.
it. Okay, all of you, please start your videos.
Sir, got it.
Question number 4. This type of quadrilateral is given in question number 4. This is the diagonal of the quadrilateral ABCD.
Sir, in this question also we will draw without scale.
Yes. So here in the question, it is given that AD is equal to BC. The side AD is parallel to BC. And we have to show that AB is equal to CD. AB, side AB, you can see side AB in the figure. You have to show that AB is equal to CD. Draw the figure quickly, everyone.
Sir, made.
Sir, drawn.
Sir, drawn.
Okay.
Sir, drawn.
Okay, all of you ready? Don't write in your copies. First look at the board,
Yes, sir.
what we are
Sir.
doing. So we have to show, I'm highlighting the two sides. We have to show that AB, don't highlight in your copy, okay? This is just to explain you. You don't have to do this. We have to show that AB is equal to CD. This side is equal to this side. AB is equal to CD. This is what we have to do. Understood what is to be done in the question? Ultimately, what we have to do, we have to show that AB is equal to CD. ये prove करके दिखाना है that AB is equal to CD. Okay. Now for this,
And sir,
we will prove that triangle ABC, this triangle is congruent to triangle ADC. We will prove that these two triangles are congruent. Prove कर देंगे. that these two triangles are congruent. And if the two triangles are congruent, then their all the corresponding parts are equal. We all know this. अगर दो triangles congruent होते हैं, then their all the corresponding parts are equal. We know that. We know it.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
if we somehow prove that these two triangles are congruent, then we can say that AB is equal to CD. So our problem will be solved in this way. Now the motive is how to prove the two triangles congruent. Okay, let's start doing it.
And sir, we will prove also AD equals to BC.
That is given in the question, not we don't have to prove it. AD equal to BC is given. Yes, Daksh Gangwar, any other problem?
No, sir.
Put your hand down. So we are going to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. Okay, let's see how to do it. First of all, it is given that BC is equal to AD. Very good. BC is equal to AD. This is given. You can write in the bracket given. We are writing the reasons for all the proofs that we are giving. Second thing, the side AC is common in both the triangles. AC is equal to AC because it is common in both the triangles. Same side is there in both the triangles. AC, common side. Yes.
Answer AD parallel BC.
So using that, we will get alternate angles equal. Which angle? Angle DAC equal to angle BCA. Can you see? Can anyone tell me why these two angles are equal? I'm marking these two angles equal. You have to tell me what is the reason why the two angles are equal.
The interior.
Vertically opposite.
Alternate interior angles.
These are alternate interior angles. Can you see it is forming a Z and the two
Z.
lines AD and BC are given parallel in the question.
Yes, sir.
I'm not saying that they are parallel. It is given in the question that they are parallel. Okay. So angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. This is the third thing. Angle BCA equals to angle DAC. Reason? Alternate interior angles.
Okay, sir.
These are alternate interior angles because the lines are parallel. We can say that alternate interior angles are equal. Now we have got three things. Look at the three things carefully. AD, side AD, then this angle DAC, then the side AC. What is the rule? By which rule we can say that the two triangles are congruent? Triangle BCA is congruent to triangle DAC. Tell me the name of the rule. By which rule?
ASA.
So side angle side.
Correct.
Side angle side, I think.
Side angle side. By the rule side angle side, we can say that the two triangles are congruent. Why side angle side? Because there is side AD and
Because side and
Yes.
look in only one triangle. Just see only one triangle, any one triangle. Triangle ADC को देखो, this one. Look at this triangle. There is side AD. हमने side AD को लिखा है इसमें, देखो. AC को लिखा है and the angle is between the two sides. Am I right? AD और AC के बीच में angle है.
Yes, sir.
We have taken these three things. We have proved that these three things are equal. Therefore, we can say that the two triangles are congruent by SAS, side angle side criteria. Okay. Now, because the two triangles are congruent, we can say that AB is equal to CD. Reason? CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This is how you write it. This is the standard way of showing two sides equal when the two triangles are congruent. You have to write the reason CPCT. Everyone knows, even in the books and everywhere in the world, the short form is written CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles.
Sir, done.
Let's start with question number 5.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what was the full form of CPCT? Sir, wait
Corresponding
for a
parts
minute.
of congruent triangles.
Okay, sir.
Corresponding
Sir,
It is
parts.
given in
I'm
it is
drawing
given in
the
higher
figure.
so it is given in higher classes also.
Yes. Corresponding parts
Sir,
of congruent triangles.
sir, drawing the figure of question number 5.
Very good. This chapter is very useful for you. In higher classes also you will be using lot of concepts of this chapter.
Till 10th, 11th, I
हाँ
think.
बेटा.
Sir, sir, I think 10th, 11th. Till 10th, 11th.
So there is another finding method of square root.
Factorize.
Okay, all of you. So in question number 5,
So first part.
there is only one part in the question.
No, sir, two parts are there.
No, one part only.
So ABC is a triangle in which D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal
Sir,
to
please
CD.
show.
Sir, AD
Side AB is also
BC.
given equal to AC. So two things here in the triangle are given. Two things are
Sir,
given.
in my book it is two parts, sir.
Beta, there is only one part in question 5. There are two parts. We have to prove two things. Figure is only one. Gangwar,
This.
we have to prove two things, but the figure is only one. Okay. So all of you, two things are given here. AB is equal to AC given, and BD is equal to CD given again. We have to show that angle ADB is which angle? I'm marking. Okay, I'm not marking the angle. Can you see angle ADB here? I will be erasing it.
Yes,
This
sir.
one.
Yes, sir.
And angle ADC
sir.
is this one. So these two angles we have to prove that they are 90 degrees each. In दोनों को 90 का prove करना है. They are not given 90. It is not given that these two angles are 90 degrees. You have to show that they are right angles. Okay. So this is what we have to do in the first part. Second part, we have to show that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. BAD and CAD are these two angles. This one and this one. Okay. So we have to show that these two angles are also equal. Got it, everyone? Let's start doing it. So for this, we will be proving that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Very simple way of proving these two triangles congruent. AB is equal to AC given. Everything is given in the question. BD is equal to CD, again given. Okay, again this is also given. BD is equal to CD. And the third thing, AD is a common side in both the triangles. Am I right? AD is common. Can you see it is a common side? So 1, 2, 3, three sides. Can we say that the two triangles are congruent? Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Tell me the rule. By which criteria?
Sir,
Side,
this is
side,
side
side.
angle.
Side,
angle
side.
SS. Side, sir.
All the three sides are equal. क्या बचा इसमें? It is very simple. Why are you not able to identify the rule? All of you.
Sir, I am identified by the figure.
See the figure and see that we have proved that all the three sides are equal. Therefore, by side rule, we can say that the two triangles are congruent. Right?
Very easy, sir.
Are you all just guessing it? Side angle side or
No,
anything,
sir.
whatever.
Sir,
Look
I
at
am
the
just
figure.
seeing the figure.
Look at the things that we have written on the board, and on the basis of that, you have to decide. Simple thing. So the two triangles are congruent by SSS. Now we have to show that angle ADB is 90 and angle ADC is also 90 degrees. Okay, so how to do it? First of all, we can now say that angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Why? CPCT. These are now corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now the two triangles are congruent. We have proved that this triangle and this triangle are congruent. So therefore, there all the corresponding parts will be equal. सारे angles, सारी sides सब equal हो जाएंगे. Very good. So angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Now, how to use this to prove that the two angles are right angles? How to show that they are right angles? We have still not proved that they are right angles. How to do it? One more very important thing to note here from the figure, we can say that angle ADB and angle ADC are linear pair of angles. Am I right or not?
Equals to 180 degree.
Their sum is equal to 180 because they are linear pair of angles.
Sir, we can write the sum of the given triangle is 180 also.
Sir, because the
Linear
sum
pair.
of the triangle.
Okay. So angle ADB and angle ADC both are equal angles and their sum is also 180. Therefore, we can say that the value of each angle is 90 degrees. Am I right or not? When both the angles are equal, दोनों
Yes.
equal हैं and their sum is also 180. That means each of the two angles is of 90 degrees.
Yes,
So
sir.
angle ADB equals to angle ADC equals to 90 degrees. So first part is proved. Second part, very simple. Directly we can say now that angle
Sir, we have
BAB.
not. Sir, why we have sir written that's a linear pair, sir? Now, sir, we have written 90 degrees, sir.
Beta, the sum of these two angles is linear pair. Am I right or not? Just now
Yes,
you only
sir.
told me that their sum is 180. They are on a straight line, so they are linear pair of angles. So angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, CPCT.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Okay, just a minute. Let me just share the link for the next class.
Done.
Done.
Guys, start doing question 6. Draw the figure of question 6.
Sir, drawn the figure.
Okay.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Beta, it will come when I speak. In question number 6, beta, keep your videos on.
Sir, we have
Everyone.
not done question 5. We have not done second part.
We have done second part.
Sir, there is no second part of question 5.
Beta, there are two
Arre.
things to what are you all doing? Tell me. Daksh Gangwar,
Sir,
Daksh Gangwar, be very attentive in the class. Don't just pay attention on what you are saying, what you are thinking. Don't just keep on doing that. Just pay attention on what teacher is teaching.
Okay, sir.
What you are thinking, what you are writing in your copy, what you have done, that is good, but it is not more important than what teacher is telling you. You're not paying attention in the class. I have just in front of you, I have just completed the second part. I wrote the reason also. You must have written it in your copy also, and now you are saying we have not done the second part. In question 6, in the adjoining figure, ABC is a triangle in which AD is the bisector of angle A. AD is bisector of angle A. What is the meaning of the word bisect? Bisect means, all of you,
Measure to divide something.
divide something, only divide something. To divide something into
Measure to
two
by
equal parts. Bisect means dividing in
not
two
part.
equal parts. So AD is bisecting angle A, that means it is cutting angle A into two equal parts. These two parts of
Sir,
angle A are equal. Okay.
excuse me, sir.
Second thing, yes.
Sir, it can be said that AD parallel to BC.
AD parallel to BC, कैसे बेटा? AD कैसे parallel? Perpendicular. It is given, not parallel. It is
Yes, sir, it
perpendicular.
is perpendicular to BC.
AD
Okay,
is
sir.
perpendicular
Sir,
to
this is
BC.
the property of angle.
So if AD
So
is
this is the
perpendicular to
property of
BC,
angle
show
angle
that
side.
triangle ABC be quiet. Show that triangle ABC is isosceles. We have to show that triangle ABC is isosceles. Now to show triangle ABC is isosceles,
90-degree angle is in
Athar
right.
Saxena, be
Sir,
quiet.
you have done.
Athar Saxena, be quiet. We have to show triangle ABC is isosceles. To show triangle ABC is isosceles, we have to show that AB is equal to AC. What is an isosceles triangle?
The two sides are equal.
A triangle where two sides are equal is known as
Equal and
isosceles triangle.
equal.
So if we prove that AB is equal to AC, look at triangle ABC, if we show that AB side AB is equal to AC, can we say that triangle ABC is isosceles?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
अगर दो साइड इक्वल हो जाएंगे it will become an isosceles triangle. So we have to prove that it is an isosceles triangle. We will first prove that the two sides AB and AC are equal. Prove that these two triangles are congruent first. I am giving you the hint. You all will do it yourself. Prove that these two triangles are congruent first of all. And if they are congruent, we can say that side AB is equal to side AC. And when AB is equal to AC, then the triangle ABC is isosceles. Start doing the question.